Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram error "we are sorry but something went wrong" problem or Instagram two-factor authentication code not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram error "we are sorry but something went wrong" problem or Instagram two-factor authentication code not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.